Hello, how are you, boys and girls? I miss you already. Welcome to today's mathematics, and I don't want to take a lot of your time. I would like you uh, uh, to be introduced to a new topic. Today we are talking about mass. Mass, the weight of a person. How much something weighs. That is mass in mathematics. We will begin with the units of measuring mass. And the units are ton. Ton is a unit of measuring mass. Kilogram. Kilogram is a unit of measuring mass. And gram. For now, we are going to talk about the 3 units of measuring mass, because that is class 6. Now, before we go on, can you be able to tell us your mass, your own mass? Yeah? How much do you weigh? What is the weight of your classroom teacher? What is the weight of your friend, your deskmate? Can you be able to measure mass? What are some of the things you use that you buy after measuring mass? Some meat, some vegetables, onions, whatever. Now let's look at conversion of the units of mass. Repeat after me. 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. 1 ton is equals to 1,000 kilograms. 1 ton is equals to 1 million grams. 1 million grams. And 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. So this is the conversion of the units of mass that we're going to use in class 6. Now let's look at some problems involving the conversion of the units of mass. Teacher's example 1. Convert 8,500 kilograms to tons. 8,500 kilograms to tons. Method 1. We make a statement. If we make a statement, we reason if from this conversion table, if 1,000 kilograms equals to 1 ton, so we write there, if 1,000 kilograms equals to 1 ton. If is a conditional word, what about 8,500 kilograms? We ask ourselves that question. What will it be equal to? I know you've heard about cross multiplication. So we multiply 8 by 1 and put it over 1,000. And so we are going to really multiply 8,500 kilograms multiplied by 1 ton all over 1,000 kilograms. Are we together? I hope you are understanding that. So we cancel the kilograms by the kilograms. Now the 2 zeros and 2 zeros. And so we are left with 85 multiplied by 1 ton. You get 5 over 10. 85 tons over 10. Because here we remained with 10. Observe carefully. That 0, when you cancel that 0, it creates a decimal point there. So 0 is cancelled already. It's no longer there. So the answer will be 8.5 tons. Look at how we have calculated systematically to the right answer. Where did the kilogram go? Kilogram cancelled the kilogram. 2 zeros cancelled the 2 zeros. The 10, the 0 on the 10, created a decimal there and brought us to the answer 8.5 tons. I hope you have understood. Okay? Method 2, we have 2 methods. Now, in conversion of units, boys and girls, I had introduced a mnemonic to help us convert easily. Remember, we are rushing with time in the examination, and we have to complete 50 questions in 2 hours. So we must find a beautiful way, a short, precise way of working out sums. And so we had the slogans: B is M, bigger to smaller, multiply. We also had smaller to bigger, divide, SBD, smaller to bigger, divide. Oh, smaller from bigger unit converting to a smaller unit, we must multiply. But from a smaller unit converting to a bigger unit, we must divide. And so here, we take what we are dividing. We are coming from kilograms to tons. It is obvious that a kilogram is smaller than a ton. So it's from smaller to bigger. And so we are supposed to divide. So we write our slogan there. Our slogan there: smaller to bigger, divide. So we are going to divide 8,500 kilograms by 1,000 kilograms. Yes? Are we together? And so we will cancel the 2 zeros with the 2 zeros. We together? Then we cancel this 0 and create a decimal point there. So what are we left with? 8.5 kilograms. That is our method 2. It is important to know why you are dividing. And for us to know why we are dividing, we must make a statement like we made in method 1. We must make a statement. If 1,000 kilograms equals to 1 ton, what about 8,500 kilograms? Then you'll find there is a division that is coming automatically. That's where we derived SBD. boys and girls, I hope you have understood. Can we go to example number 2? Teacher's example number 2. Teacher's example number 2 states, convert 1.5 tons to kilograms. 1.5 tons to kilograms. Boys and girls, method 1, we reason. If we are converting from tons, so you begin with tons. If 1 ton equals to 1,000 kilograms, what about 1.5 tons? Again, we ask ourselves a question. Then we cross multiply learners. That will be 1.5 tons multiply by 1,000 kilograms all over 1 ton. I hope you understand and are following. Boys and girls, we cancel a ton and the ton. We are left with 1.5 multiplied by 1,000 kilograms. We convert 1.5 into a fraction, and that will be 15 over 10 multiplied by 1,000 kilograms. Yes, a 0 cancels a 0. What do we have here, boys and girls? We have 15 multiplied by 100 kilograms. That's what we have. And so 15 multiplied by 100 kilograms will give us 1,500 kilograms. And that is our answer in method 1. Remember, we are coming from a ton to kilograms. And that's how we do. In method 2, we compare between the ton and the kilograms. Which one is bigger? Obviously, a ton is bigger than a kilogram. So we are coming from a bigger unit to a smaller unit. So bigger to smaller, we multiply. In method 2, we are using our slogan, bigger to smaller, we multiply. Bigger to smaller, we multiply. So what are we multiplying? We are multiplying 1.5 tons by 1,000 kilograms. By 1,000 kilograms. So we are multiplying. And so when we multiply, we convert the decimal into a fraction. Then we multiply by 1,000. Does it look similar to this part? Yes, it does. It does. So we cancel a 0 and a 0 and multiply 15 by 100. we will get, boys and girls, 1,500 kilograms. We will get 1,500 kilograms. Did you understand that? That is our method number 2. And so it's easy to convert. It's not hard. As long as you master this conversion table of the units of mass, you are required to master the conversion table. 1 ton equals to 1,000 kilograms. 1 ton is equals to 1 million grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. Boys and girls, you repeat this conversion table as many times as possible, and to be able to internalize it and be able to use it in conversion. Now, I want you to do for me a small assignment in your primary mathematics, page 181, exercise 116, number 1 to 6. Then you go to the next page and exercise 117, number 1 and number 2. That will be enough exercise for you to do. Once again, I'm glad that I did what I do best. I hope you enjoyed my lesson. Please do many exercises or many questions about conversion of the units of mass to be able to understand even better. You can refer to Spotlight Mathematics and Mentor Mathematics. In Spotlight Mathematics, you can go to page number 93 and page number 93 and 94. In Mentor Mathematics, you can look at page 101 and 102, and you will be able to have ample practice. I love you all. I long when we will meet in class. Bye.